So, coming through and bringing you some great things. Okay, here are the cards. Okay. Let's talk about a set of 4 of these mugs, 22 ounces each, all coming with their matching gift boxes and plastic storage covers. These are enormous. You get all 4 of them, each one 22 ounces. And since we first introduced this set, we've sold over 40,000 sets. There are an awful lot of you out there that love this item. And remember, this is stoneware. Oven safe to 500 degrees. Can go in the microwave, can go into the fridge or the freezer if you're doing something cold. Look what we did here. We baked chicken pot pies. Really fantastic. These actually might be beef pot pies, but because they appear to have a cow on the top. All right, so these are more like beef pot pie. But you know what I'm saying. You can do all kinds of things in here. Soups, stews, bake cakes in here, whatever you love. And we've got it all for you. Joining us now to tell us more about this on this snowy Sunday is Tara Tesher. She's a snow bunny today. She's down in Delaware where they got walloped with snow. And
we did.
Tara, it is good to see you. I'm glad to see you inside where it's warm. I hear you all got about a foot of snow, didn't you?
Yeah, I think we topped in somewhere around 14 inches. So did a little shoveling, a little sore, need a little stretch, but this is where this comes in perfectly handy because this is your latte mug. It meets your soup bowl. It turns into your mini baker, your dessert maker. So many great things, David. 22 ounces in total capacity. Nice oversized handle here. And my favorite part, that snap-on storage cover. So when you want to prep ahead of time, when you want to put leftovers back in the fridge, you can. And as you mentioned, it's the same stoneware that we love. So these go in the oven up to 500 degrees and the dishwasher and the fridge and the freezer. And don't forget the microwave.
And remember, Tara, you get a set of 4 of these for only $29.98, and you get the plastic storage covers and the matching gift boxes. It is a perfect set. And if I'm not going to give these as a gift, and I don't really want to because I want to keep all of them myself, then this way you can use those storage boxes for other things or other gifts. Follow me over to the world's largest Lazy Susan. Yeah, it is. We've got a huge Lazy Susan here in our studio, and we can take you through all of the colors. Let me zoom it this way. And we'll start with Old World, and we'll come back toward me. So we'll start right here with this one. Let me move this chair out of the way. There we go. So let's start with Old World in the gray. There's your set of 4. Then we have just 1 to show the rest of the colors. There's red. I also have taupe. Here's blue. And then in the floral lace, there's gray, red, taupe, the always popular blue, and then we have the variety stripe, and we're showing all 4 here because you'll get the goldenrod, the gray, the pink, and the cream. Tara, and I think we call this one champagne, don't we?
Champagne.
Champagne,
we do.
yes. Yeah. So you get all of those together. Plus, plastic storage lids are included here as well. Is that right?
That's right. And you get the boxes also. So if you did want to give these as a gift, you could. If you want to store them away, you can. I love layering these into your dinnerware like you're looking there, whether you're doing soups, your French onion soups, whether you're baking in these. What's amazing about them is if you want to put it under your Keurig in the morning for 22 ounces of coffee, you can do that. If you want to put it in the microwave because you have your soup, you can do that as well. But here's what I really want to show you. So remember, they're oven safe up to 500 degrees. But here's what I love. This is what we call our wheel of food, David. So we're going to start right down here with, we'll talk about our cereal, right? So cold cereals in the morning, the day in the life of our Steal the Meal. Next door to that, we have our cold yogurt parfait. So again, I love the fact that you can make these ahead of time. Maybe it's overnight oats, and then you wake up in the morning and you microwave them. Baking in here, love this because you're literally mixing right in here, baking in it, bringing it right to the table, decorating it, and you're good to go. Look at this gorgeous apple pie that we did. I know that you also have like the beef pot pies, so many different things. And then look at this. I just came out of the oven with one of our faves. Look at this, dishwasher safe, so you never have to worry about anything spilling over. Look at this gorgeous chili bubbling all the way around the edges.
Wreck that right now.
14 inches of snow. I know what I'm having for lunch. Look at that.
I don't know, Tara. Would it be that, or might it be this macaroni and cheese that Carol made for us?
Maybe a little of both.
Maybe. I mean, this is coming over the sides and all chewy and cheesy and fantastic.
Yes.
Oh, my word. It is so cold outside. Even the polar bears came in to get warm. All right. Look at that. Oh
Yum.
my word, don't miss out on these, folks. This is that perfect mug size that you're after. Hey, I did want to remind you, you also can choose confetti. I have the confetti in front of me. $6.50 in the confetti, and that's the most limited out of all the color options. So I do have confetti available as well. So let's come back and show you all of your choices again. We'll start with stripes this time. And you get that variety in the stripes where you get all four, the goldenrod, the gray, the pink, and the champagne. There's your stripe. Well, hopefully we'll see this shortly. There we are. So there's the stripe, all four of them. All right, from there we move to floral lace in the blue. Very, very popular. Then I've got floral lace in the taupe, floral lace in the red. Here's gray. And finally blue, one of our very popular Old World. Old World blue, 700. Old World gray, a taupe rather, 850. Old World red, 850, and here's the gray. 900 to go around. Tara, do I recall that we can come right out of the oven with something hot and pop that plastic storage cover on?
You absolutely can, David, and that's what's amazing about these. So again, don't microwave with that, but you can, when you take something out, put that lid right on top of it. But I love, again, the silhouette of it. I love the depth of it. It's that soup mug meets that latte mug meets that mini baker, right? 22 ounces total capacity with that snap-on storage cover, with that helper handle. This is why we love it. The fact that you can put it through the paces. French onion soup, tuck it right under the broiler, you're good to go. Canned soup, if you're in a hurry and you don't feel like making something, dump it right in here, put it right in the microwave. This is what we love about the versatility of these pieces. It's why it's been so incredibly popular. And they layer in perfectly with your dinnerware because now everybody has an individual dessert, everybody has an individual soup, a salad. We always need a bowl for something.
Or an individual mac and cheese. And this is Carol's mac
Yes,
and
please.
cheese, the 8 cheese mac and cheese. Mmm, mmm.
Yes.
Tara.
Delish.
Mmm. Yummy.
I hear you.
Over 1,000 sets are gone now. Price goes away end of day today. I need to remind you, since we first offered this, 40,000 have been ordered. Now make that 41,000 because of another 1,000 ordered today. 1,100 now gone in this show. Dishwasher safe, Tara, here. Everything we know Temptations to be true?
Yes, exactly. Everything we know, David. And look at all the beautiful food, because that's what I want to say. You look at this and you think, well, okay, it's a sealed meal. What does that actually mean? Well, it means that you can do things like pot pie and that crust will be nice and beautiful and flaky. You can do mac and cheese and don't worry about that cheese that comes down the edge if you don't eat it, which I would. You
Ah.
can put them right in the dishwasher to clean them. You even have mini cakes there, David, where we baked inside, sliced it, put a little filling in there. Absolutely beautiful. So whether you're cooking in here, whether you're baking in here, these are those versatile pieces that, like I said, is a latte mug that meets a soup mug, that meets a mini baker, that meets a dessert maker. Look at that. Just by slicing it in half, piping some whipped cream inside it, you now have personalized individual desserts for everybody. I love this item. It's so great.
Oh, Tara, they are so great. This is the confetti. Very, very popular and very limited. 500 left in that confetti. Now let's come over to our table and remind you that we have Old World in the gray. I have all four of them out here. So you can see all four of the gray with their gift boxes in Old World. Old World in red, 800. Old World in the taupe, 800. Old World in the blue, 650. Floral lace in the gray, floral lace in the red, 1,200 left. Old World, floral lace in the taupe, 1,000 in the blue, 1,500 remain, and then if you want stripes, I have 1,800 in the stripes available. I'm going to tell you right now, if this is any indication of how much snow and cold weather we're going to have the rest of the winter, you need these mugs and you need them now. And you need to get them home, you need to bake in them, you need to drink coffee out of them. It's the kind of mug where you can grab it with both hands and keep your whole week of hands very warm. That is what makes these fantastic. Tara, 30 seconds left, final thoughts.
Just, David, it's one of those versatile pieces, again, with our great stoneware that you can layer in with your dinnerware, where now you don't have to have a special bowl for a salad or a soup. Everything's coordinated here. And cheers, my friend.
Ooh.
It's a latte mug, but also a mac and cheese maker. Oh, you already knew that.
That was classy, wasn't it? Let it dribble
Very,
all down
always.
your chin. Yeah. I'm saying, if you don't wear your food, you're not doing it right. Hey, Tara, we're going to have you back a little later. We're going to sip it hot or cold, okay?
Brand new. Can't wait to share it with you.
Looking forward to it. In the meantime, I'm